right, Panda Nation, Peter Von Panda here, back here at Scooter's, my local Scooter's. Been here before for coffee, but now I thought I would try their smoothie and see what a $9 smoothie is like. Because I can definitely get a cheaper smoothie at McDonald's, but I thought at $9, why not spoil myself? Maybe give myself a little taste of luxury, maybe a little vacation at home. So I'm hoping that it lives up to its billing. Let's try it out. Woo! This camera is close, but just got my smoothie here from Scoots, and comes in a nice little plastic little QR code there. And what I always love about that is a little smiley face up there. All right, so this is the large, and I always go large or go home. Go home. All right. Scooter's coffee. I think they call it the Vitality Smoothie, and then you can pick different flavors like strawberry. I picked the mango, obviously. And before I get into this, I think I need to add a little context. So a lot of places sell smoothies. And what I have realized is when you go to these other places and buy like a mango smoothie or a pineapple smoothie or something like this, they always seem to put other stuff in there. I'm not sure if it's like yogurt, but sometimes other fruits. It's like banana mango or orange mango. And so I think they're trying to kind of cut to the flavors of some of those things and blend it out so that it's a little bit more palatable to everyone. But this is the smoothie I have been looking for. I'm not sure what else is in here. I think it is blended ice and mango slices. And that's all there is, because I have always been looking for a smoothie that reminds me of when I went to the islands and you'd order a mango smoothie, and all they did is cut up a mango, throw some ice in there, blend it up, and then you get this cold, refreshing, with that true mango taste to it. And this is what this is. It's like the unadulterated, pure mango ice smoothie, and it's so good. Like, there is the fibrous part of the mango. You can probably see big mango chunks in there. All right, man. I love this. This is the smoothie I've been looking for. The smoothie that reminds me of being on vacation. Not kind of the genericized with lots of fillers types of smoothies that you get other places. Now, the pro and con of this is that it's amazing. The con is that it's $8 or so with tax and stuff to get the smoothie. But when I'm looking for a treat that actually reminds me of the times I'm traveling to tropical hotspots instead of sitting in my car in the suburbs, this is the one. This is the one. Man, that's so good. I tell you what, if you have a Scooter's near you and you haven't tried their mango smoothie, try it out. It will whisk you away to those island vacations. Hey, I'll put a link to Scooter's in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out. That's the stuff. Oh, yeah. From now on, that's how you drive.